The House of Representatives has issued a firm reminder to the sole administrator of Rivers State, Vice Admiral Ibok Ete Ibas, cautioning him against overstepping the constitutional limits. The House emphasized that the administrator lacks the legal authority to make laws or formulate a state budget, regardless of the current political situation in the state. This warning comes in response to the sole administrator's recent announcement regarding plans to introduce a fresh state budget.
As we all know, our state has faced significant challenges over the past months, especially with the declaration of a state of emergency by Mr. President. This was a difficult but necessary measure to address the insecurity that threatened the very fabric of our communities. However, I'm pleased to report that with the support of the federal government of Nigeria, security agencies, and indeed the collective will of our people, we have made notable progress in restoring peace and stability to our great state. Since the declaration of the state of emergency, my administration has been resolute in ensuring that our efforts to restore law and order are not only effective but sustainable. We have worked tirelessly with the Nigerian military, the police, and other security agencies to restore order and bring peace to the state. Our goal has been to create an environment where our citizens can live in safety and pursue their livelihoods without fear.
Vice Admiral Ibas has indicated that this move was necessary in light of the ongoing state of emergency declared in Rivers State in March.
The budget, which is being finalized, focuses on creating job opportunities and investing in key sectors such as agriculture, infrastructure, and technology. We understand the urgency of these initiatives, and we are committed to ensuring that they are implemented without delay. But we cannot do this alone, as I had earlier stated. We need your support as the key representatives of Rivers State in the National Assembly to help us secure the necessary resources and legislative backing to bring these initiatives to fruition. Your partnership is critical to our success in ensuring that Rivers State remains on path of progress and enduring peace for future generations.
However, lawmakers have expressed concern that such a move would be a clear violation of Nigeria's constitutional framework, which reserves legislative powers for duly elected representatives. The constitution is clear, a member of the House said during plenary. Only the elected House of Assembly can make laws and approve budgets for the state. The administrator's role, even in an emergency situation, does not include legislative functions. The House further warned that any budget proposal made by the sole administrator without due legislative process would be considered null and void. Members stressed that the rule of law must prevail even in times of crisis, and that constitutional provisions must not be sidelined under the guise of emergency governance. Political observers say the situation in Rivers State remains tense as residents and stakeholders watch closely to see how the crisis unfolds. The federal government's decision to appoint a sole administrator and declare a state of emergency has been controversial, drawing criticism from civil society groups and political parties. Meanwhile, the House has called on relevant federal authorities to ensure that constitutional boundaries are respected and the governance in Rivers State returns to a democratic path as soon as possible.